Are you a coach setting up payments as you go? Reactively handling payments often leads to freezes, declines, or lost revenue. This simple exercise helps you see how fragile your payment setup can be. Many coaches rely on multiple platforms without realizing that each one has its own rules, limits, or hidden risk. Listing them out makes it obvious where things could go wrong before they actually do. Easy Pay Direct builds a long-term, reliable payment system for your business. They underwrite your account upfront and give you a dedicated merchant account designed to avoid freezes or declines. On top of that, you get features like recurring billing, hosted checkout, and transaction routing, keeping your payments stable no matter how your business grows. I've linked Easy Pay Direct in the description. Check it out today to secure a dependable payment system for your coaching business. Stop reacting to payment problems and start building a stable system. Just click the link in the description and fill out the quick form to get started with Easy Pay Direct.